Hi, welcome back to Inside Home. Today, we're exploring a revived Victorian gem in Dartmouth Park, North London, stripped of its dated 1990s renovation, where rich color, bold patterns, and tradition meet in a fresh, timeless way. We're stepping into the entryway. Warm, buttery yellow walls make it instantly welcoming. A classic dark wood console and modern vintage pendant lights set the tone beautifully. Up the stairs, a bright landing keeps it simple with neutral carpet and crisp white walls, while a hint of artwork teases what's ahead. This living room is all about bold golden yellow walls and rich dark wood furniture. One side feels more formal with a striking black mantle and plush seating, while the other is more eclectic, filled with books, a vintage typewriter, and plenty of personality. This cozy nook is all about books. Warm yellow walls, a dark wood table, and a patterned rug make it charming, while overflowing bookshelves reveal a true book lover's haven. A perfect mix of charm and warmth. The rustic dining table is great for gatherings, with mismatched chairs and a striking gallery wall adding personality. In the kitchen, dark cabinets bring drama. Open shelves keep it airy, and island stools create a cozy spot to chat or grab a bite. This living room is made for relaxing. A plush velvet sofa, colorful artwork, and a mix of textures create a cozy, stylish vibe. And finally, we have a bedroom that's both elegant and serene. The neutral color palette creates a calming atmosphere, while the pops of blue add a touch of visual interest. The framed artwork above the bed adds a sophisticated focal point. New angle in the bedroom. The fireplace stands out. Quirky art adds character, and rich textures keep it stylish. Maximalist but not cluttered. Light and airy. The blue walls are calming, and that pattern rug is a total statement piece. Plus, you can never go wrong with a fireplace. The mix of textures is spot on, the fluffy throw on the chair.